if the compound unit, or if the length operations that you're going to add, subtract, and multiply and divide do not have fractional parts after them, you can use your calculator to solve the problems. Let's look at this first one. We're going to add 8 feet 4 inches plus 4 feet 5 inches. On our calculator, we could just write that as a compound fraction, 8 feet, and then make it 4/12 of a foot. Add compound unit again, 4 feet 5/12 of a foot. The problem is that when you get your answer, you get shift S to D 12 3/4 foot. So the 12 inches is right. And then what do you do to the 4 to get 12? Well, 4 times 3 is 12. Do the same thing to the numerator. So 3 times 4 is also 12. So on your, what you'd have to do at this point is once you get that, you would take the 4 times what is 12? 3, and you get 12 as the denominator. You do the same thing to the numerator, and so your answer is 9 inches. Next one, subtract. So we're going to use our S to D, our whole number, 16 feet and 7/12 of an inch, or 7/12. Subtract, make sure you get it in the right spot, subtract 7 feet, so shift 7 feet and 11 inches. And when you do S to D, it says 8 2/3, so it'll be 8 feet. And now we take care of the 2/3. So here's the 8 feet. And what do you do to the 3 to get 4 or 12? You multiply by 4. Do the same thing in the numerator. And so here I have 8/12, so it'll be 8 inches. Next one. Multiply 6 feet 8 inches times 5. So on our calculator, we would do 6 feet 8 inches times 5 is 100/3, S to D, so that's 33 feet. And then what do you do to the 3 to get 12? You multiply by 4. So multiply the numerator also by 4, and you get 4 inches. Last one, 22 feet. Oops, forgot to do it. There we go. 22 feet, 4 inches. And we're going to divide that by 4, and we get 5 7/12. Since the denominator is already 12, our answer is 5 feet, and the numerator is 7 inches. So that's how you do these problems.